Hello everyone, greetings of the day and welcome in this video where we will take a look at the different sports facilities available at JIS College of Engineering. You will also get to know about the sports club of the college and how it creates an environment to have the balance between sports and studies. Former US President John F. Kennedy once said, "Intelligence and skills can only function at the peak of their capacity when the body is healthy and strong." Hence, to ensure overall development of a student, JIS College of Engineering promotes a variety of sports. The college playground is of 1.5 acre where outdoor sports like cricket, football, badminton and volleyball are played. For indoor sports, common room is available where there are necessary accessories to play chess, table tennis, billiards and carom. The sports club of the college consists of 29 district level, 9 state level and 3 national level players. There is one representative for each sport in the sports club. The representatives of the sports encourage other students to participate in the sports of their interest. The representatives help the interested students to find and participate in different tournaments. Regular practice sessions are also organized to help the students prepare for the tournaments. The main aim of the sports club is to incorporate skills like team spirit, leadership, fair play and never give up attitude, which will be useful for them in the future as well. The college understands the importance of sports for the physical and mental well-being of an individual. Intra-college tournaments are organized at regular intervals which also act as a refreshing break for the students from their regular schedule. And with a good physical and mental health, the students can focus in a much better way to achieve their goal. Talking about achievements, some of the players from our college even excelled at the national level. Like Subhajit Biswas, an electrical engineering student, has won a gold medal at the National Amateur Kickboxing Tournament. He was also ranked second in the National Professional Kickboxing Tournament. Shreya Saha, a BCA student, was among the top 10 performers at the National Yoga Tournament and was among top 5 at the state level yoga tournament. And there are many other students who have performed exceptionally well in different sports like badminton, chess, football, cricket, etc. at district, state and national level. So what are you waiting for? Join JIS College of Engineering and be a part of our sports community. For more details, please visit our college website or call on the contact number given below. Thank you for watching this video till the end.